Some breaking news to bring to you right now on Links 007 TV News Report. JLP councillor and caretaker for the Southborough Division, Lennox Hines, shot and taken out by gunmen on Marcus Garvey Drive this afternoon. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is the Links 007 TV News Report. Popular Jamaica Labour Party politician Lennox Hines was shot and taken out by gunmen along Marcus Garvey Drive in St. Andrew on Thursday afternoon. Hines was a JLP councillor and caretaker for the Southborough Division in Portmore St. Catherine. Reports from the police are that Hines was waiting in a traffic under the bridge when several gunshots were heard. Sources report that two men on motorcycles were seen leaving the scene. The incident caused a massive traffic pileup within the area. Police following the incident sent out an advisory informing motorists heading towards Portmore St. Catherine from Hagley Park Road in St. Andrew to divert to Spanish Town Road. The police are theorizing that they believe that this was a contract hit. Hines and other men were previously charged with the murder in the shooting of Orwell Livermore, a resident of Portsmouth in St. Catherine leading up to the 2007 general election. They were, however, acquitted in the Home Circuit Court in 2013.
Well, just after 5 p.m. this afternoon, a male Jamaican traveling home from work, he had in the vehicle his daughter and another female co-worker. When on reaching this intersection, they were attacked by men riding on a motorcycle. The two occupants of the vehicles were shot and injured, one of whom would have succumbed so far. Yeah, we're quite aware of the identity, but at this stage we would not be able to discuss that until the next of kin would have been advised. But from the modus operandi of the men, this seems to be that the individual was deliberately targeted, and this would fit into something looking like a contract hit.
Links 007 TV will track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.